school children.
Ito yun.
Ayan ma'am, tsaka itong water pump na.
So you built this?
Yes ma'am. This school children of this school compound. The rest of the KBP budget. So from the last time that I reported of 21 ongoing projects, we are now 31. Next week.
Ongoing. So ano nang bago na umpisahan mo?
Ito ma'am, itong mga doon ma'am sa Bulong Masle, sa Maquiapo.
Porac exit ng SCTEX. Kaya ito po, siguro naman po nakasaw kung kabilugan, kadaling Porac. Maraming po salamat at advance All Saints Day at advanced Fiesta Kimporac kay Tongan. Maraming po salamat. And congratulations to our Air Force, General Riesa, na naging general na nga dahil sa napakagandang mga ginagawa niya para sa ating mga kalayaan barangay.
Elevated water tank, Titing Barangay Mangkatyan. Mangyayari po briefing, hindi ka kasama, Honorable Mayor Rogelio Santos.
Salamat naman, maya po oras naman.
Nakal pong salamat, Madam President, kay Pamisito po kay Tiking Barangay San Jose Midla. At kami
that it is the Pasacuaga River that causes the long flooding.
Pag napuno ang San Antonio sa papasok
of Pampanga River, but also of and then
ito galing sa Pinatubo
River flood control project many years ago. It was phase 2 that was
meron tayong 45 kilometer dahil na apalit arayan sa
area, and that's why now it's largely protected already.
Yes, ma'am. And in fact, man, kung magiging